Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Martyn Lucas Investor channel. And we hope you enjoyed the show. We've just covered SoFi's earnings. Wow, that was great. Still losing money, but improving their position all the time, growing all the time, making strides into the banking sector, digital banking, online banking, which I believe will replace banks in the not too distant future. Pretty cool stuff. All right. Right now, though, we are live again. Our show is slightly late today because of the earnings, of course, with SoFi, but we are here with you now. My position is up 39,623, as you can see. This is my real portfolio, all up from $5,000. But of course, we've got the big FOMC report tomorrow. That could affect everything we will see tomorrow. Anyway, let's get straight into our live positions. Here we are. As you can see, this is where we are right now. Having a good start to the day. Let's see who's with us in the chat. If you are here with me, come on into the live chat. I'd love to get your thoughts and comments. So let's see who was here first. Let's just pop out the chat. And if you want to call in, and you can via Discord as well. If you are one of our Discord members, YouTube members, you can actually video call in to the show and be live on the show as well. So if you want to call in, you can. We got a new member today. In fact, a member who's upgraded from bronze to silver. I'd like to thank you very much indeed for that. That was, let me just scroll up a second. I can't quite see it now. Jason, I think it was. I think it was Jason. It's just covered up by... in fact, I can get rid of that now. I can get rid of that, and I'll be able to see his name. Yes. Should be able to see it now. I think it's Jason. We'll see that in a second. That's still not showing up. I want to try and get rid of that. I've got a little message here I'm trying to get rid of, but I can't get rid of it. That's annoying. It's right over his name. I think it's Jason. Anyway, we shall see shortly. Thank you very much, Jason. Let's hope he comes back in again. All right, let's get ready to go. If it's your very first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know you're here. And of course, as always, thumbs up the video. It really helps the channel. And there you go. And if you would like to smash Mr. Mini-Me, smash the like button. That helps. That's the thumbs up. Really makes the channel grow. All right, let's get straight into it. Let's look at our positions. We've got just over 20 minutes to go before the bell goes. This is the S&P 500 looking okay. Of course, tomorrow is the big day, and we're going to find out exactly what happens tomorrow with the FOMC report. We are reporting it live. We are doing the earnings of Robinhood and Virgin Galactic later in the week as well. So we've got that to look forward to, but a lot going on at the moment, so we've got to keep our eye on everything. I'm just trying to find a bit of information I wanted to share with you. I wonder if I can. Let's have a look. It's just come on in. Might not be able to. Let's have a quick look. No, it doesn't look like I'm able to share that information. I had some information just come through to me, but I can't seem to share it. Never mind. Yeah, that's not showing up at all. No, that's not showing up at all. Can't share that. All right. Good morning. Your opinion on Virgin Galactic earnings? Well, that's a very good question. We will cover that. I've got videos coming out about that later on during the day. I think it's going to be quite a surprise. I don't expect anything great. I know there's no real good news coming till next year, but they've been hiring and they've been selling the tickets. They've sold the tickets. I think 850 tickets sold now. They're also now selling experiences, staying at the hotels. They're working on that. So there's a lot going on with Virgin Galactic. We could have a bit of a surprise tomorrow, especially just after the FOMC report. So a lot of that depends on what happens tomorrow. No one really knows, but I'm holding my position. That's all I can say. I've added to my position as well. I think that tells you everything you need to know, right? I've added my position. I'll share with you how much I have right now. There you go. It's up today, 2.38. I have 2,100. I am down 4%. It's been going down, and I've been buying it all the way down. My average now 493. My plan is to sell as we go up. Sell some, not all of it, not even close, until it gets to at least $50 to $100 a share. But I will start to trim off as we go above. Once I start, getting a good 10%, I will sell some of those. I'll just reduce my position a bit, just to trim off the top. That's all. Anyway, let's see who's with me right now. We've got 24 watching and only 10 likes. So you know what we got to do? We got to put the 1 minute clock up, play some music, and get everyone to smash the like button. I want 20 likes in the next 1 minute. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Smash the like button. Let's see it. Okay, here we go. Chicky, 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 boom, pow, pow. Said it, chicky, 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 boom, pow, pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please, stand up, say please, stand up. We need 20 likes. 20 likes. 20 likes. Come on, here we go. Chicky, 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 pow, pow. We got 14 likes right now. That's better with 24 people watching. 14 likes. Smash the like button. If you want your stocks to go up today, smash the like button. We will be APMRMCRX. We will be going live with the earnings report for Virgin Galactic. So make sure that you join us with that. We will have it live. I went to the Virgin Orbit space station, and I plan to go to the Virgin Orbit, Virgin Galactic space station as well. So there we go. What did we get it up to? 17. Not too bad. Very close to 20. Not too bad at all. Anyway, let's go back to our overall position. We're up now 39.6. Now, we have had a bit of a sell-off with Tilray. Am I selling it? No. A bit of scalp trading going on. Nice song. This too shall pass. Yeah, it's a bit of a thing that we do here on the show. You might notice we got two guests in. Would my members please welcome our guests, AP, and this too shall pass. We've got some guests in here. Would my two guests please put your cities and countries in the chat? Let us know where you're from, and all my members will give you the best welcome you've ever had. We are the most engaging channel on YouTube. We have 95% of our live viewers are members. It's higher than Mr. Beast. It's higher than anyone. It's the highest engagement rate on YouTube. Chris Emery, hello all. Hello, Chris. How are you? So if you'd like to become a member, we have many, many perks that benefit you. It's not designed there to benefit me. It's designed to benefit you. My aim is to grow the best YouTube channel in the world. That's the idea. We have two, this one and the music channel. All right, so let me give you the invitation to join. And once you do, we can promote your YouTube channel. We can give you exclusive access on Discord. We have special 20-minute fundraiser events you can have for free. We celebrate your birthdays. I reply to all your comments. I share all my portfolio with you, much, much more. So anyway, hello to all from Canada. We got lots of guests from Canada. Lots of guests. It'd be wonderful today if we got a new member. If anyone would like to join. We have many, many perk levels. Have a little look. So there we go. There's my position right now, up 3.25 today. We've got the FOMC report tomorrow. I am covering it live. We've got Virgin Galactic earnings later on in the week. I keep buying the dips. Virgin Orbit. Tilray is king. I own Tilray. This is my position on Tilray. I'm up 15% now. We're waiting for that legislation to get passed. When it does, it's a $40 stock. I'm holding it. I'm up 15%. I could take some off the top, but I'm not going to. I'm going to hold it. We haven't had the good news yet. So there you go. Canada, bills from Canada. All our members, I'll welcome you in. There we go. And let's see if any one of those. Let's see if any one of those will become members today. And if they do, we'll do great things for our members. It's what we do. If anyone's got a birthday, of course, if it's your birthday for you or a loved one yesterday, today or tomorrow, as a bronze member, we celebrate your birthday live in the show and you get to keep the video. That's another perk to you. All right, we've got 15 minutes before the bell goes. We're up at the moment. Everything's looking pretty good. So we're very pleased about that. The S&P 500, I'm actually in the black, in the green for that as well. Shall pass, what's the problem? Yeah, what's the problem? Oh my God, says this shall pass. What is the problem? We'd like to know. Support you any way we can. All right. I've also got, hang on a minute, I wonder if I can share this with you. Let's see if I can share this. Okay. Yes, some people have been asking me for Christmas, can we get some Christmas goodies? I'm actually working on some Christmas Martyn Lucas Investor Channel goodies. So I'm working on that right now, actually. It should be quite fun. I am working on it right now. So we'll have that for you very, very soon. Anyway, we're watching the portfolio. We're seeing where we are right now, or holding. We've got the lightning round in 15 minutes. We've got the cash giveaway and a prize giveaway this Friday. Tilray's made you 40 quid. 40 bucks. Fantastic. Fantastic. Every penny counts. My portfolio, this too shall pass, started with $5,000. And I'm up now, as you can see, to 39.6. So we all start, possibly, obviously not financial advice. Possibly, obviously. Yeah. Hey, it's all good. Every penny is good. We all started exactly the same. Everybody starts in exactly the same place. And we're here to help everyone. We're here to be honest. We don't pump and dump anything. We always tell the truth. Everything is transparent. This is my real shares, my real positions. We're here to help everyone every day. It's what we do. So don't worry about that. $40. Hey, I've made trades and sold something for $1. Hey, a profit's a profit. Never. Don't worry about that at all. It's all good. Absolutely right. I've got some exciting new stuff coming into the day traders shop. I've just noticed for Christmas. If anyone's interested, lots of exciting stuff. Can't wait to share with you. We're gonna have some Christmas products. Should we have a t-shirt first of all? All right. Okay. Let's put the t-shirt up. You ready? Here it comes. We'll put the t-shirt up first. Got some cool socks you might want for Christmas as well. Anyway. Where is Martyn? Where is Martyn? I'm right here. I'm not going anywhere. Is that what you want for Christmas? Where is Martyn? There you go. There's my new Martyn Lucas t-shirts in the chat. Look, if you want to get that. Any size, any colour, delivered to any country in the world. And if you do get one, please do send a picture in with you wearing it. And I'd like that. It'd be cool. All right, be very, very cool. Anyway. Got a couple of my overlays this morning that I can't seem to find. I don't know where they've gone. I'll have to check later. For some reason, I seem to be missing a few. I don't know where they are. Anyway, we'll find them. Oh, this might be it. Is this it? No, look at that. It's not showing up. It's not showing up. Never mind. It's not showing up. No, not that one. Little technical glitch this morning. I'll fix it. Anyway. Let's get back to our situation right now. We've got just 10 minutes to go before the market opens. We will do the lightning round. I couldn't see him. Now I can. Oh, now you can. Ah, okay. There you go. There's a good pair of socks as well. Any colour you like with the logo on it. It's kind of cool. Anyway, there's the S&P. Let's go now look at SoFi. Is it going to hold up? Great morning. The earnings, they beat earnings. And the company is still losing money. But it was 0.1 per share. Now it's 0.09. That's 10 cents down to 9 cents. So they beat earnings. I mean, that's great. They're constantly growing. And going to be making money soon, but it's a position I'm happy to hold. I'm up 2.5%, up 40 bucks. This could be a huge stock in the future, absolutely huge. It's the first stage of the bank, really. It's replacing new digital banks. How will the UPS make it to you, Martin? Because the people in that location, Bill, are sending it on to me today. So don't worry about that. And I'll keep you posted. Anyway, if we could talk about that privately off air, that would be great, Bill. Thank you. Okay, so we're up 3.21, 39.6. SoFi is holding up. Let's check our other stocks. Ionis. What about Meta today? Meta today is up 1.45. I'm still down 19%. I'm not going to buy any more. I don't want to get ridiculously over involved in this. You know, if I bought $4,000 worth of it today, my loss would be down 10%, would be a much stronger position. But I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. I'm in Twitch now. Sorry. Mike's in Twitch. Good stuff. Thank you, Mike. Mike's in Twitch. Thank you very much indeed. We've got 7 subscribers now. If you're watching this show and you want to be in our cash draw for Friday, if you want to be in our cash draw for Friday, we give away the money we get in subscriptions on Twitch. It's completely free. It's completely free. You just need to be a Twitch subscriber using Amazon Prime. It's absolutely free. It's available all around the world. And here is the Twitch channel if you want to go and check it out. Follow me and subscribe. And on Friday, of course, we have our cash giveaway and our prize giveaway here on YouTube too. Very, very exciting. It's all happening this week. A lot to do. And everyone can win. 6 people now are in the draw for Friday. That's all. So if you want to be in our free draw, if you're over on TikTok, hop into YouTube. Links in the profile right behind my icon. Come out of the main live show. Come into YouTube, and you can be in our free prize draw. On this Friday, we're giving a cash prize away. Only 6 people are in it, and we're also giving away a star prize from my merchandise shop, completely free. If you want to be part of that, just come into YouTube, links in the profile. It's youtube.com/Martyn Lucas Investor. Same name as this channel. You can come on in, very, very easy, and say, I'm from TikTok, and I will tell you how to be in the draw. Very, very cool. Cordell, Georgia, thank you very much indeed. I have a sell on NAS 100 and US 30. I'm not selling anything. I think it would be crazy to sell anything right now. I'm just holding all my positions. I've been buying dips for months. And we might get a bit of a volatile time tomorrow with the FOMC, but I'm not too concerned. I'm just concentrating on my portfolio and going forward. I'm not trying to change the market or time the market or anything else like that. Just trying to do the right thing. Oh, we got a new follower, Jace the Ace. Jace the Ace just followed me over there on Twitch. Well, if you go and subscribe to me now using your Amazon Prime on Twitch, it's completely free. Just turn gaming on. We've only got 7 subscribers. 2 of those are me and my wife, so only 4 in the draw for Friday. It's completely free. Just turn it on, and if you use Amazon Prime, you can get it for free. You get many perks, plus you get the you get all the benefits of the cash giveaway. I give away the money I make in the subscribers. And it's just a way of thanking you. And we want to grow the best channels in the world. That's what we're trying to do. Right. Welcome. Mike says welcome. There we go. Virgin Galactic is now up to 2.16. And Virgin Orbit, flat. Tesla today, great. I'm finally back in the green on Tesla. Now let's get some context of our portfolio. I think it's important. This is the day position. This is the week position, up 9.77, and we've had the best October on record since like the late 1970s, I think, up 7.45 on the month. That's phenomenal. Nearly $3,000. Phenomenal. Over the last 3 months, however, down 20%. So we've got a long way to go. And if you look at my overall position is down 41%. But we were over 50%. So just keep buying those dips, keep holding, and we'll be okay. But you've got to have some patience. Got to have patience. Because at the end of the day, you don't need the money today, do you? You're doing this for your pension in the future. I'm a full-time YouTuber. This is how I earn my living. My mate's here. Happy November. Christopher Marantet. I love this guy. I love you. Not that way. Do you know what I mean? I just want to say not in that way, but in the other way. Now he's confused. He's thinking, well, which way is it? I don't know. Which way is it? I'm confused. I don't know if I want to be here anymore. Chris, how are you, mate? Very, very exciting. Great to have you here. Stuff going on with Live Streamer Cafe. Still working on my ultimate plan. Got some great people I'm talking to, Chris. Not a day doesn't go by that I don't not think about LSC and where it can go in the future and my overall plan. I only wish I had the money to put the app in place tomorrow. I'd do that tomorrow. But I am still thinking of it. It's all good, mate. I'll take it anyway. There we go. No, that's anything. Not that there's anything wrong with that. Hey, I'm not getting involved. Don't get me involved in anything. Well, I'm well. I hope you and Leah are well. Yes, Leah is well. We're all well. We just had a month's break. We've been in the UK. Only back again 2 days ago. A couple of days ago. Back on Friday. So we're probably still in jet lag, but we're getting better now. Martin is undecided about his taste. Joby and Acor are stock to watch. Bye. It says Troy Stewart. Welcomes Troy Stewart. How are you? There you go. Whoops, let me just clear that off the screen. There we go. So, where are we right now? We've got just 3 minutes to go. So, we're just about to go and start the ring the bell. So we've got just time for a quick commercial break. I'll be right back in just 10 seconds from now. Don't you dare go far away. Are you ready? Have you smashed the like? If you rung the bell, we've got 2 minutes to go. I'll be back in 10 seconds from now. And I'm back. There we go. We are back with you. The commercial break is for YouTube, nowhere else, in case you're thinking, I didn't see a commercial break. I don't know what's going on. Right, 2 minutes to go. We're getting ready for the timer. We had a great earnings today from SoFi. As you can see, very, very nice. I'm holding my position. I bought the bottom of the company. I'm not going anywhere. Should we get some context of it? This is when it IPO'd, of course. It came out, you get the initial excitement, and then it trundles along until it really takes off, and that's where we are now. So let's get some context. It could go up to $20 a share. Could. It's done it several times now, absolutely. And now they're making money, or about to make money. It could go a long way. Right, here we go. We're coming down to the lightning round. Of course, we got our cash giveaway on Friday. We also have our prize giveaway as well. We got a star prize on Friday. If you want to know how to win that, ask me in the chat and I'll tell you. That's coming up on Friday. And here we go. 1 minute to go. Let's get straight into the trades. Here we go. Big day today on the markets. FOMC report tomorrow, of course. Have we reached a bottom? People are getting excited about it. No one knows. No one knows where she goes. No one knows. All right. Here we go. Getting ready to rock and roll. Lightning round coming up. We're about to ring the bell. Very, very exciting. Just joking, Martin. I know you have a traditional taste. Traditional taste. I'm getting ready for the Falcon Heavy launch this morning. Exciting stuff. Very, very good. Yes, I wish I could buy shares in SpaceX. So that'll benefit Virgin Galactic on Thursday. Big time. Right, here we go. Let's ring the bell. Let's ring the bell. It's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there we go. We're off and running. We'll get the usual little flash. Let's have a look. If we don't, that'll be very unusual. And, flash upwards. That's not happened before. We normally have that little downtrend. Oh, blimey. We are, okay. Well, be prepared. That could drop off. That's a huge bounce this morning. A huge bounce. Don't be too excited. Enjoy it. If you want to scalp it, you can. Remember, this channel doesn't do that. This channel is long-term investing. We'll take profits if necessary, but that's not what we're about. Virgin Galactic. This is, remember what I just said? I just said Christopher Marantet talked about Falcon Heavy. That's exactly what's happened here. There's major news now coming for Virgin Galactic because of SpaceX. It's just trending. That's all it is. Enjoy it. It's great. It's oversold. Virgin Galactic is, in my opinion, a $100 stock in 5 years from now, maybe 2 years from now. I've been buying it all the way down. Keep buying it. I've been out of the money, but that's a huge turnaround this morning in this current climate. Absolutely fantastic, but don't get too excited. Of course, don't chase it. If you're not in, too late. It's not too late. You should be in, but it's still a good time to buy. But I'm not buying it. I've been buying it in the dips for months. I've been digging the ditches in the desert when no one else is saying it's going to rain. I've been that guy. I've been the guy digging the ditches when the shares have been going down for months. That's where I've been going. Okay, let's go through all the stocks and see where we are right now. We're up 3.8. Just a little bit of a drop there. I told you that was going to happen, and it did. Hey, Seb, great to have you here. I'm just happy that people are excited about science. Love it. I am all about, that's what my portfolio is all about. Let's go through the lightning round. Vanguard S&P is up 0.84. We will take some drops. Virgin Galactic up 4.55 today. That's because of SpaceX. No question, no doubt whatsoever. There's no Virgin Galactic news other than the hirings, but we already know that it's coming down the line. So this is just a bit of excitement. Enjoy it if you want to. Virgin Orbit up 295. I was at Virgin Orbit, Christopher. I was at Virgin Orbit Space Station in the UK a couple of weeks ago, filming from the arrival of Virgin Orbit. It landed, I was there. I filmed it. You can check out my video. I interviewed the Times. I interviewed Channel 4 and other people at the space orbit. They got a flight this week. This could take off this week. I'm still not buying it, though. I'm still not buying it. Tesla, I bought it, I've already sold it. Tesla is up 3.76 today. We're finally back in the green, oversold for months now. Elon Musk, of course, might go to it for source of funds. That's the key word right now. Kramer uses it all the time. Source of funds to buy Twitter. Let's hope not. But if he does take a little chip off the block, it won't be a major problem anyway. Rivian is up 2.75. Now we've got Lucid up 3%. Very, very nice indeed. Arrival, it's my lottery ticket. A handful of tickets, a handful of shares on potentially a bankrupt stock. Anyway, Amazon today up 1.16. I've been buying the dip all the time. Apple up 1% now. Robinhood earnings. We are reporting earnings later in the week. We're also reporting Virgin Galactic earnings as well. I'm going to hop over to watch it. Yes. Christopher, if you stay with us, I will leave Falcon Heavy here. I'll have it here on the show. It's up to you. If you want me to play it here, we'll have it running in the background and you can see it. Anyway, McDonald's, it's up 12% now, flat right today. Coca-Cola is up 0.28. I'm up 1.47. Got the Everyday Astronaut stream up at the moment. Up at the moment. Okay, I could actually have it running if anybody wants it in the background. J&J up 3% now, flat today, really. Siddhartha, I just watched that. Google is up 0.5 today. I'm down 7.42. I've been buying it. Been buying the dips. Okay, Microsoft also been buying it, up down 2.32. But here is Meta. Meta, the biggest story on the stock market, the biggest loss ever in history on a publicly traded company. I will tell you that I believe 100% Meta isn't going anywhere. The metaverse might be a lot of rubbish. Nobody might want that, but Meta can pivot in a heartbeat. They've got 2.9 billion customers. It's the #1 social media platform. I've been buying the dip forever. Look at that. I'm just saying, if you think Mark Zuckerberg's an idiot, then you're an idiot. You might not like Mark Zuckerberg. I don't particularly like Mark Zuckerberg, but I don't even know him. How the hell do I know? I don't even like Facebook. Not even that bothered. I have a Facebook account. I'm streaming live on Facebook right now. But Reels is growing. Customer base is growing. They're just spending too much money on the metaverse. They could stop in a heartbeat and suddenly the money would come pouring in. This stock is the best valued stock on the stock market. I'm not telling you that to pump and dump it. I never pump and dump anything. You see me live here. I'm a long-term investor ultimately. But I think it's oversold. I think the street have oversold it. I think it's going to be up massively in the next couple of years. It's up to you what you do, but I'm holding it anyway. And every time it goes lower, I'll buy more. Now, you might say, well, why don't you spend another $4,000? You can go minus 20% down to minus 10. No, because it could go lower because people are shorting it and driving it down. They think Mark Zuckerberg's a lunatic, and that's fine. And when it goes down to 80, I'll buy another. And that 20% will drop quite quickly. But I won't do it now. I've already been buying. It's already 75% down. Anyway, let's carry on going. SoFi. Up today, fantastic. Still losing money, but getting better all the time. Totally agree with you, Martin. There you go. Tilray is going down again. Got 100 shares, but want to add some more. Siddhartha, let me have a quick look at Tilray. Yeah, people are scalping it. We said that was going to happen, and it did. People do that. People don't invest anymore. They don't invest in companies. They just scalp trade. I will do it from time to time, but 90% of what I do is long-term investing. For the big returns. I'm not interested in selling all my Tilray now because I know when as it's passed in Canada, as it will be passed in the US, this is a $40 stock. So I could have dumped it all today at 16%, but I'm not going to. It's going to come back up again. Remember, you will pay the highest rate of tax on your first year of investment. So, if you just buy something and scalp trade it, you will pay the maximum amount of tax. If you hold it for at least a year, you'll pay a lot less. So you've got to balance that into it. If you only make a couple of bucks a share, a couple of percent, consider how much tax you're going to pay. Short term, long term is proven to be the most financially beneficial. 95% of day traders lose money. That's a statistical fact. So it's up to you. I'm holding it. It might go back down. Don't really care. I'll just add to it if it does. Ginkgo Bioworks, Enphase Energy is up. Love all this solar stuff. BSV is up today, 0.66. Bitcoin is up as well. And Ethereum, I'm currently out of it. Still expecting a crash there on it. And if it does, it does. It doesn't, it doesn't. I'm not bothered. 39,000. Okay. Now, of course, tomorrow we have the earnings. We have FOMC. Jerome Powell speaking live on the show. Yep, he's a guest of mine talking live on the show, as he is with everybody else's channel. But, of course, his favourite channel is Martyn Lucas Investor. And he'll be here tomorrow live on the show. And I might even ask him a question. And he'll probably say to me, Martin, can I have a quick cup of tea out of your fancy day trader mug, which you can buy from the shop. The link's up in the chat. Get yourself a Christmas T-shirt, Christmas socks, even a Christmas mug. And there we go. Why wouldn't you? I know, why wouldn't you? It's a good question. Why doesn't everyone in the world have a Martyn Lucas mug? I don't know why that is. Today we've gained some more subscribers I want to share with you. Look, we're now at 5,144. We were at 33 yesterday, so we've gained a good number of subscribers since yesterday. Any news on Virgin Galactic? Yes, Virgin Galactic. Right. First of all, it's trending up today. It's trending on StockWits. It's trending on Twitter, and the stock is up. I'm virtually now in the money at 488. Fantastic. My average is now 493. The reason why it's up today, best soft, is because of Falcon Heavy. The news is on space again today, and Virgin Galactic, and we anticipate that Elon Musk will be a customer. He's already bought a ticket on Virgin Galactic in the spring. So I'm very, very happy to hold this. Christmas socks, I have to order them. Any colour you want. Don't forget, Ale and Paddy, if you look on the shop, you have your own... Oh, look at this now. Look at Virgin Galactic. This is fantastic. All right, we need to make some videos right now. So let's go over to our production screen and actually make some videos right now. Virgin Galactic. Let's do this right now. Virgin Galactic, let's go. We need to make some videos for the SPCE. SPCE. Let's go back to this screen now, and we are live at 34 minutes? Yeah, 34 minutes. Okay, 34. All right, Mins, let's get it done. Here we go. SPCE. Production screen. So we need this one here. We need a couple of screens. Virgin Galactic is the news of Falcon Heavy today. That's what's going on. Dexter Sickles is here. Welcome, Dexter Sickles. How are you, mate? Lovely to have you here. There we go. Let's get rid of the ticker for a moment. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Reinvesting dividends, as you can see on the screen there, looking good. All right, so Virgin Galactic looking very, very nice indeed this morning. Why is it up so much? Okay, let's talk about it right now. Here we go. Breaking news here on, let's do that again without the big breath at the beginning. Breaking news here on the Day Trader. Oh, and just as I went live there, I got another subscriber. Virgin Galactic is up today. Why is it up today? Well, it's been oversold for months. There's no particular news. I get asked this all the time. Why is Virgin Galactic up? Well, it's quite simple. The reason why it's up today is we are just about to go into the FOMC report. Everybody thinks we've hit bottom. People are buying now into high-risk stocks. And remember, high-risk stocks are the ones that will explode first, because these are the ones that were sold first. Okay, and the reason why Virgin Galactic is up today so much, it's not the hirings, it's not the sold all the tickets, it's not Elon Musk going to fly next year, it's not any of that stuff, which is all great. What it is, however, is we've got today Falcon Heavy. It's drawing attention to space again. It's been a while since it's flown. And it's drawing a lot of attention to the stock. Now, because the markets are up big time at the moment, everyone is buying in. Everybody's a bit of FOMO right now. The worst thing you can do now is chase this. I am very happy it's up, and I might even trim some off the top. My average, let me share with you my average. My average is now 2,001. Sorry, I've got 2,100 shares. My average is 493. I can trim off the top any minute now, but I'm not going to chase this because this could drop again. The FOMC report tomorrow could be a bit of a disaster. But if you're not chasing and you're holding your positions, you can only win. We've got some information here. Just come in from one of our investors here, Spaceline FSS Unity, fully assembled. Great news, there you go. Fantastic news on Virgin Galactic today, looking very, very good. I am very excited. I'm not jumping all over it though. I'm going to trim off the top. Should I go up 5%? I'm still down 0.61, but I will trim off the top. No doubt about it. But there you go. Virgin Galactic. We've got earnings report. If you click up here later on, if you're watching this live, it won't be there. But later on, if you click up here, it'll take you to the Virgin Galactic SPCE earnings. We are going to cover it live. So Richard Branson and all the team join me live on my show. It's their favourite show. If they want to talk about Virgin Galactic, who are they going to call? They're going to call Martyn Lucas Investor Channel. So anyway, join us live for that later on in the week. We're also covering the Robin Hood earnings. We're also covering the FOMC tomorrow. If you'd like the FOMC earnings, click here and that'll take you to the FOMC earnings. Good luck with your position. I'm very excited. I'm going back in the green again. Until our next video, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, let's get a quick thumbnail on that one there. There we go. There we go. There's Virgin Galactic. Very, very nice indeed. That'll come out later. Okay. What else can we look at right now? What else is moving in our portfolio? We've got huge rises today on SoFi as well. Let's have a little look at SoFi. If you watched our earnings report earlier, you'll know why. So let's talk briefly about SoFi. Breaking news here on the Day Trader. SoFi earnings today. Fantastic. Company still losing money, but They beat expectations. If we scroll down, you can have a little look. They beat earnings a little bit, not a huge amount, but there you go. Expected 0.1, 10 cents a share. It was actually 0.09, 9 cents a share. They're going up quarter over quarter. They're increasing their customer base. They are getting a higher FICO score customers. It shows you that people are spending money. A FICO score average 750, which is phenomenal. And SoFi today was up a little higher than this, up 16%, I think it was. If we have a closer look, yes, it was actually up 19%. Dropped back a little bit, but I'm holding it. I'm not selling it. This company can be 10x in 5 years' time, so I'm not scalp trading this at all. SoFi looking very, very nice today. Now, the overall markets are up. We're very excited because of FOMC report tomorrow. Some people think Jerome Powell is going to be dovish. Do you think so? Let me know in the live chat. Let me know in the comments below. Do you think that the Fed are going to report softly tomorrow? I don't think so, but what I do think is they could suggest December the rates will start coming down. So I'm expecting a 0.75 tomorrow. That's a good thing to bring inflation down. That's a good thing. It's hard on the markets, but what will soften it is when they turn around and say December 0.5%. That's my theory. That's what the markets are pricing in. That's what they think is going to happen. That's what I think is going to happen. So the markets will rally. So SoFi looking pretty good. If you want to see the full earnings report for SoFi, we have it here. If you click up just here, that'll take you to the SoFi earnings, and you can go and check that out and get the full breakdown of the earnings, and you'll see why I'm so bullish and why I'm holding my position on SoFi. Until we meet again on another live show, the live show's link is just up here. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, let's do a quick ticker for SoFi. There we go. That way around. Okay, that'll come out later. Okay, let's get back with you and see who is with me in the chat right now. Who have we got? Nicky Boy Gaming is here. Nicky Boy Gaming is here. How are you, Nicky Boy Gaming? Lovely to have you with me once again. Nicky Boy Gaming was with us at our first day trader convention party in the UK. Fantastic to have you with us. Nicky Boy Gaming looking pretty good today. We are preparing for the FOMC report though. Virgin Galactic, afternoon all. Virgin Galactic is looking good on the news. I told you Virgin Orbit would flash down again. Tesla holding up, just dropping back a bit. Rivian dropping back a bit. A little bit of scalp trading going on this morning, as expected. Amazon, all. My lowest was 89. No, it's not low enough for me to pick up any more. Very simple trading strategy, long-term investing strategy. Very, very simple, really. Nothing that clever, really. McDonald's up 12% now, not buying any more, just enjoying it being up so much. J&J doing very well. Google at 94. 8% down now, 92% say buy. My average is 92. My last buy was 92, so it's not cheap enough for me. Microsoft, I don't want any more Microsoft. Meta, I will buy if it goes lower, significantly lower. It's got to go into the late 80s for me to buy any more of Meta. All right, now then. Let me see who's with us live. I went to holiday on Kent. Cornwall is better. Yes, it is. The boosters are landing. Fantastic. The boosters are landing. Great stuff. Thank you for sharing that, Sid. Everything's looking good. Virgin Galactic, everything is up today. Looking very, very nice indeed. We are getting a pullback. That's expected. And right then, let's see who's with me live right now. Let's have a quick look. How many people have come through the stream so far? That's looking pretty good. 206 for SoFi, 72 so far here on the opening bell show. Brilliant. And subscriber base is going up quickly now as well. That's good. Now let me open the Discord link for everybody. All YouTube members, if you want to call in, I'm now opening the broadcast lounge up. The broadcast lounge is open. If you want to call in and you are a YouTube member, you can call in here live to the show, have your say via video or just a phone call. If you're over on TikTok, click the link up here, or youtube.com/Martyn Lucas Investor, the same name as this channel on TikTok. Come and join us. We have our cash giveaway and prize giveaway on Friday, and you can only win that if you're on YouTube. Come and join us. This is where we are live on YouTube right now. Okay, let's get back to our trading positions. Looking pretty good. SoFi is falling off a bit. We expected that. Scalp trading going on, of course. I'm not really interested in that. The S&P is falling back a bit. Virgin Galactic, I haven't really... Oh, I'm now up. I'm now up for the first time in months. I'm up $28. Now, remember, once I start going up, I will be looking to trim off the top, because I'm overall now up at an average of 493. So I will start to trim, and this will go up very, very quickly. Let's get this into context. We thought $10 was cheap for Virgin Galactic. If that goes to $10, which it could go in a heartbeat, I'll be up $10,000. So I certainly will trim off the top. I'd be absolutely bonkers, raving lunatic if I didn't. Anyway, let's have a little look at what's going on here. Where are the opportunities coming? Let's have a little look. Where are they coming? Google, still not cheap enough yet. Microsoft, Meta, not cheap enough yet. Let's have a little look. Keeping our eye on all of this stuff. What's Tesla doing? It won't have nothing to do with SpaceX, of course, but it does draw attention to Elon Musk's success overall. So there we go. We're holding up right now. We're going back up again. Let's have a look at Tilray. Tilray returning. There we go. You see why I didn't sell it this morning? You know, you got to look long term. You got to know what your objectives are. What is it you're trying to achieve? So let's do a quick. What did I do? I did SPCE and SoFi, didn't I? Yeah. TLRY. Tilray. Let's cover Tilray right now. And we are now at 47 minutes. 47 mins. Okay, there we go. Tilray. Let's have a quick on this one here. Now we've got our date. We've got our competition, our Friday competition. Some of you have let your Twitch subscriptions lapse. Let me just share with you, if you've let your Twitch subscription lapse, you will not be in our cash draw for Friday. Make sure, look, we've got just 7 subscribers, and 2 of those are me and Leah, so only 5 now. People, when I was away on holiday, people let it lapse. Go on to Amazon Prime, turn on your gaming, and you can subscribe to Twitch for free. And this Friday, it's our cash giveaway on Twitch and a cash giveaway on YouTube here and the prize giveaway on Friday as well. We've got a huge Friday. So there you go. Make sure you subscribe to Twitch. Renew your subscriptions. It doesn't renew unless you set to auto renew. There you go. Just 7. So go and get that sorted out right now. Otherwise, you are missing out. You are missing out. All right. So then, let's talk about training today. Catch you all this afternoon. Okay, church. Look forward to it. Tilray Brands. Let's cover Tilray Brands right now. Breaking news here on the Day Trader. Tilray Brands had a huge pump yesterday. A lot of people, you can see, scalped it this morning pre-market. I held my position. In fact, I've added to my position. If we actually look at my position right now, we are at the verge of legislation being passed in the Senate. This could then be a $40 stock. It's already legalized medicinal cannabis in Canada. It's coming to the US. It's already in Germany. It's coming, and when it does, it's a $40 stock. Simple as that. I'm up 14, look, 15%. It's growing all the time. I'm not trading this. I'm looking at the bigger picture. Remember, the first year that you own a stock, you pay the most tax. And a lot of this right now, all the markets are up because the FOMC report is tomorrow. If you want to join us for the FOMC report, click up here and that will take you to it live. Jerome Powell, Fed Jerome, will be live on my show. It's his favorite show to be on, of course, Martyn Lucas Investor. He's live with with me tomorrow, so listening for that. And that's why a lot of the markets are pumping. A lot of markets are pumping in the science and the high risk stocks today, because people think we are about to pivot. I'm not so sure we are, but we could be about to calm the markets down. And of course, SpaceX has had a successful flight today as well. That's drawing attention back on the sciences, which is always great. Tilray Brands, looking really great. I believe it's going to be a $40 stock. I'm holding my position. If I scroll up and share with you what I have, there you go. You'll see I'm up 14%. I have 1,000 shares, just over 1,096. I'm not going anywhere. I'm leaving that nicely there, and that's looking pretty good. That's Tilray, live here on the Martyn Lucas Investor channel. If you want to join us for the live shows, click up here. On Friday, we have a cash giveaway, a prize giveaway, and it's all getting very exciting this Friday. Join us live. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, let's do a quick thumbs up for that one there. Okay, Tilray. Let's go back into the trading screen right now and see where we are. Now, I want to get a quick update as who's with me in the chat right now. I want to make sure, I want to see who's with me. So if you're watching me live right now in the chat on YouTube. Oh, Bill. Hello, Bill. My Luca badge, one of my subscribers. If you are a subscriber on TikTok, you click the little star just there. See the star? If you click the subscriber, I promote your channel. I've got 26,000 followers on TikTok. So if you subscribe to me, I will make you a video, put your channel on this screen, and invite all of my 26,000 followers to follow you. And it's a great way for you to gain more followers and subscribers and so on and so forth. And I do that plus exclusive content. I do that to help all of my subscribers. So thank you very much for being a subscriber every month, Bill. Appreciate that so much. And I'll make you another video very, very soon. Thank you very much, Bill. And all of those of you who do subscribe to me on TikTok. All right, we're rising again now. Now then, the good news is we had a wonderful time in Cornwall for the convention. Nicky Boy Gaming was there. Ale Drummer was there. Paddy was there. And we're going to do it again next year. And we're going to either be in New Mexico for Tesla. New Mexico for SPCE. Virgin Galactic, or we're going to be, oh, look at that, I'm 1% up now. Oh, if we break $5 psychologically, that's quite a big deal. Let's watch that right now. And next year we're going to be either the New York Stock Exchange, New Mexico for Virgin Galactic, or we're going to be Austin, Texas for Tesla. So let me know where you'd like to be, and we'll arrange the party. Year 2. Fantastic. All right. Very, very exciting stuff. Let's have a look right now. This is very exciting. I can imagine they were up $4.98. If we break $5, you watch it go. That's my prediction. That's what I think is going to happen. I don't know if it will break $5, but if it does, watch it go. Very exciting day today. And of course, we're preparing for the FOMC report tomorrow. That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. So the overall portfolio, let's circle back and have a look. We're now at 39,733, still rising. The S&P's coming up, looking good. Now, for those of you who've not yet followed me, I want to make sure that you all are fully aware. I've updated all of my channels, so please follow me on Twitter. It's a backup for this channel. It's the new name, Martyn Lucas Investor. There you go. There's Twitter. Also Instagram, should you wish to follow me there. Each platform gives different information. There is the Martyn Lucas Investor. And also on TikTok, Martyn Lucas Investor. Do you like the fact now it's all the same name? I hope you like that. There you go. There's all the links. Make sure you are fully checked out. The S&P is now coming up again. Oh, dropped there in a second. I thought it was. Let's have a look. Oh, here we go now then. Where are we losing it? Tilray Brands, it's still holding up. Where are we losing it? Let's go back to Meta, see if we can get some more cheap Meta. No, it's not cheap enough for me yet to buy any more. Microsoft is going down. 230. What's my lowest price? 226. No, not low enough for me yet. What about Google? Google. How can you write off Google? Seriously? My price for Google now is 92. Yeah, it's a little way to go. Meta. In fact, what we'll do now, I think we're losing it a bit on Virgin Galactic. That's what's, yes, there we go. That's what's driving it. People are scalping that, but that's okay. It showed a lot of energy in the stock, so it's good. I'm not concerned at all. It's just the first attempt. You really should keep an eye on economic data. You really should keep an eye on economic data releases. Thank you very much. This is SIC22. Please share any information you have, and I will always update it, follow it, and read it on Discord. Oh, you're not one of my members. Sorry, I just noticed. Oh, this is sick. Did you let your membership expire? That's a shame. You can't call into the show. Love you to be a member again. Was you ever a member? I thought you was. Anyway. Theodore Roll, have you seen Uber and Lyft? I don't like Uber. I like to use it. Falcon Heavy Boost has safely landed back. Chris, yeah. And the moment it landed, Virgin Galactic, see what I said about Virgin Galactic was trading on the news? It pumped the stock and dumped it. See how that works? It's people trends things, and it pumps the stock and then it drops. Anyway, we're just about to bring you some news on Meta, so let me cover that for you right now. This is my thoughts on Meta. See if you agree with me. I can only do Twitch. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, I remember. Yeah, that's strange, isn't it? Still don't know why that is. Anyway, let's have a quick conversation about Twitter right now. Sorry, not Twitter. I'm talking about Meta. This is another big one for me. It's becoming a big part of my portfolio very quickly, and I'm happy with that. Okay, 57 minutes. Here we go. Here's Meta. Here's my take on Meta right now. Breaking news here on the Day Trader. Meta, formerly, of course, Facebook. This is now becoming a big part of my portfolio. I'm going to explain to you why. If it's your very first time on this channel, please smash the like button and subscribe and ring the bell would be absolutely wonderful. Now, I think Meta is going to be a big shock surprise, and I'm going to explain to you why I bought more. And I don't even like Facebook, but I do like making money. And at the end of the day, isn't that what this is all about? Making money at the end of the day. So let's have a quick look here right now. This is my Meta position. A few days ago, it crashed. Now, we need to understand one thing here. Are we investing or are we in a popularity contest? It doesn't matter to me whether you like Mark Zuckerberg or not. People are now saying the guy's an idiot. The guy invented Facebook. Whether you like Facebook or not, that makes him, in my book, very successful genius. It's not a small thing to invent one of the biggest companies in the world and have 2.9 billion customers. It's not a small feat. So in my opinion, he's far from an idiot. What have you done today? I asked that question of you. So anyway, Meta sold off dramatically. What did I do? Even though I don't like Meta, I don't believe in the metaverse, I don't think I'll ever wear a headset. In fact, I know I won't wear a headset. This company has a huge customer base, nearly more than anyone. It's an advertising company. It's a social media company. It can switch back to Facebook in a heartbeat. And the moment Mark Zuckerberg decides, you know what, I've done enough research on Meta, I'm going to spend a little bit less this week and not spend quite so much, up will go the shares dramatically of Meta. Now, it's a fact, whether you like it or not, whether you like it or not, the PE ratio of Meta is now 9.45, which tells you it is now the most pound for pound valuable discounted stock on the stock market. No question about it. Now then, do I think it could go lower? Possibly. Do I think it could go up? More likely. At the end of the day, it's like, 75, 80% now discounted. This stock, in my opinion, is way more likely to go up. Now, will it go up tomorrow, next week, next year? Don't care, don't mind. I'm not retiring for another 5 to 10 years. I think that all I need to do is stick around and buy the discounted stock, and in 5 to 10 years' time, I've got a huge profit. Now, I've got a comment just come in here, and I'm going to share this on the screen. Let me just bring this up. Someone has just posted a comment as I'm making this video, because this video was made live during one of my live broadcasts. And let me bring it up now with someone who knows all about coding and creating online platforms, my friend Christopher Martyn. VR is always and also ran. Yes, Meta has tons of customers, but so have all the other companies that have been pushing VR since the 1990s. Always fail. That's Christopher Martyn's take on it. The way I look at it is this. Facebook, for me, even though I don't like it, even though I don't believe in the metaverse, as I did, when I got back from my holiday, I went on Facebook, I posted a couple of pictures, and all my friends around the world commented and liked it. It's the best place to do that. You can't do that on TikTok. I don't know why people keep saying TikTok all the time. TikTok doesn't do that. You can't go on TikTok and share a picture and get loads of comments from your friends. I love the way that Facebook works. I'm just not really into it. It's not my thing. But what I am into is making money. And I couldn't care less whether you like Mark Zuckerberg or not, or think he's an idiot. I can't see how anyone who can create Facebook and turn it into a trillion, whatever it is, dollar company is an idiot. But anyway, that's beside the point. Right now, the street have sold it because he is overspending on VR. They don't, sorry, not VR. Well, yes, VR, but the metaverse. All he's got to do is say, I'm done. The money is still there. The customers who are watching are still there. The reels are going up. They're about to monetize that. They can turn this company around in minutes. And I do believe that really, if you want social media, if you just want to post pictures or you want to communicate with your friends, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook does the job. And I don't see it really going anywhere. So I believe that Meta will turn around. So I am very, very happy to buy more shares of Meta. What am I doing right now? I'll share with you my overall position. There's my overall position. I'm down 20% because I was already in before the crash. I'm a bag holder, but I should be down 80%. But I'm down 20% because I started buying when it dropped down. If it goes below 90, I'll buy a bit more. And my 20% average will come down very, very quickly. Very quickly. I'm not going to go all in now and double up again just to get it down to 10,000. But I do believe that this stock will return. I don't need to get any profit out of this stock for the next few years. I'm prepared to give it some time. But I don't think it should be 10% of my portfolio. Absolutely not. 5% is about right. It might grow a little bit if I end up buying it below 80. And then as soon as it passes above 80 or 70 or wherever I get it, I'll start trimming off those with stock allocation. I need to contact Robinhood and sell those out. Remember, Robinhood works on a FIFO scheme. First in, first out. So if you want to sell the stocks you've just bought, you need to contact Robinhood if you use Robinhood like I do and sell those first. Otherwise, you're selling the stocks I paid $150 for, which wouldn't be a good idea, right? So that's how I'm playing it. I believe in the product, even though I don't like the metaverse. I still believe it's a great investment for me. What's your position? Do you believe in the metaverse? Do you believe it's a good investment? Leave your comments below. I will reply to everyone's comments. If you want to join us live tomorrow for the FOMC report, there is the link that will take you right there. Or join us live every day. We are live every day. Church of Logic, I'm going to share that comment, has just come in and said, the meta is a waste of time. Well, I asked the question, Church, do you have a Facebook account? Have you ever posted your birthday or what you've had for dinner? Have you ever done that? Have you ever done that? Do you do it at all? I'd like to know. Meta, waste of time, Martin. Nicky Boy Gaming doesn't like it either. A lot of people saying that. Do you know what? A lot of people moan about a lot of things. They still do them. All right? I'm just saying, as human beings, we moan about things all the time. But we still do them. I'm just saying. All right? So there you go. If you want to join us on a live show, click here and that will take you to the live shows. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Let's just do a quick ticker for that one. There we go. Meta. Okay, there's my Meta video made. We will have to see. We will have to see, yeah. I always get banned. Yeah, so do I. Every video gets banned. But you still use it, don't you? We all moan about stuff, yet we all do it. Right. Let's go back to the main trading screen a minute. Let's have a look. We had a big sell-off a few moments ago. That will be Virgin Galactic. There it is. See that look? And now it's buying back in again. Exactly as I said. I like it when I'm right. What happened there? I did say, let's start a Facebook alternative. Well, it so happens. Virgin Galactic, as I said, would rise up with SpaceX. And as it landed, it came back down again. I said it was trending, and it did. What it did do, though, is draw attention to the stock, and now it's rising again. So what happened there? People scalp traded. That's fine. Not for me today. Watch this space. Space line is here, and we are watching it, and we are covering the earnings on whatever day it is. I've got it logged in. And if you want to join us for the earnings... let's go back to the earnings a minute. I'll show you. I want you to join me. What day is it? Oh, Meta is dropping now. I'm watching it for another bargain. All right. So if you scroll down, you will see that we have on the homepage, look, we have the FOMC report. We have Robinhood earnings. And we also have Virgin Galactic earnings. There it is. There it is. In your time zone. For you to tune in. So go and get yourself signed up for that. Right. Let's have a little look. Now then. The S&P is falling. This is because of Meta. That's okay. Meta is falling again. Now then, where is my at my low? Like 93. 93 is my low. I will buy it below 93. Not a penny more. Once I buy a stock, I'm all in. I will only buy more if it goes below my lowest price. So ultimately, my portfolio, my averages get lower and lower and lower. My security of my portfolio gets greater and greater and greater. Here we go. Let's read this. Funny thing about social media, everyone wants free speech until people speak about things they don't want to hear about. Exactly my point about everybody moans about stuff, yet still does it. Half the planet, 3/4 of the planet have Meta. Everyone moans about Facebook. Oh, Facebook's terrible. I hate Facebook. Still have a Facebook account. So there you go. Human beings get in the way of themselves. It's failing because of the manufacturing and jobs data. Signals less chance of a Fed pivot in December. It's failing because the manufacturing and jobs data signals less chance of a Fed pivot in December. That's fine. I don't care. I will just buy it cheaper again. And eventually, I'll be always up. And that's it. Don't be fearful. Be confident. Right then, if you've just tuned in, smash the like button. Smash the like button. Have you not smashed the like button yet? Why not? I don't know why. Smash the like button. Subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know you're here. There you go. Exactly, says Christopher Marantet. If people were so angry and fed up with Facebook, they could make it stop instantly by just, not using it. Exactly. And people are not doing that. I am on Facebook every single day. I'm live on Facebook right now. I shared my pictures on Facebook, as did everybody else. because it's the main social media platform. It's like Google. Google isn't going anywhere, but everybody sold it. Remember, the share price and the sentiment of the street does not reflect the value of the stock. And when I talk about value, I don't mean price of a share. I mean value of the stock, value of the company, the employees, the CEO, what they're doing. That's what I'm investing in, not the price. The price is just an opportunity for me to buy it cheaper. That's not what I invest in. I invest in the value of the company, who the people are, what they do. Facebook daily rates are down. I think you'll find, though, church, that they have got more users and reels are up. I think it's by 50%. So you have to find the facts within the facts. We can turn the facts inside out any way we like. But that's how I read it. Google are changing, Martin. They're changing ways of people contacting people, such as Hangouts, etc. That's coming in from Nicky Boy Gaming. No, Facebook is not the problem. The problem are all those persons posting what they're eating in that specific moment or telling the entire world they're off to bed. Hey, but you choose to follow someone. If you don't want to be someone's friend or follow them, you have the control. This is what makes me laugh. People say all sorts about different platforms, but you control what you wish to see. If you don't want to, people think you have to unfriend someone. You have to unsubscribe, delete someone. You don't have to be, it's like my YouTube channel. You don't have to unsubscribe or ban or block. You can go, don't show me this. You can, but people don't know how to use the platforms half the time. Half the time it's, I don't like this, ban. I don't like this, block. It's like an email. If you get an email from me, and because you are on my newsletter, I give you a nice big button at the bottom which says unsubscribe. Unsubscribe from my newsletter, you won't get it. That's the way you should do it. Some people go, ban, I don't want. As it happens, no one does that on my newsletter, actually. I'm very proud of that fact. No one's done that. In fact, only a handful of people have ever unsubscribed since we started, just saying. But the point is, we do that. As human beings, we get aggressive. We go, ban, block. Well, if you unsubscribe, the whole system works. And that's what happens with Facebook. If you don't like someone's posting about their dinner, you can still be their friend. Just unfollow or say, don't show me this. You can do that. The same thing with the Walmarts of the world. If people really wanted to make them go away, they'd stop shopping there. Exactly. Consumers are the problem, not the companies. Exactly. Exactly. You get what you deserve. We all want things to be cheap. Everybody says, oh, I hate this Chinese rubbish. I hate the quality of this stuff. I want good quality stuff. All right then. All right then. All right. I'm going to start selling mugs, right, that will last 100 years, but they're now going to cost you $500 a mug, as opposed to the whoopsie-daisy, the $20 mug you can buy now, which is probably made in China. Well, there you go. That's the reality. We all want everything for free, everything cheap, but nobody's prepared to pay for it. If we all want the quality, you know what I mean. Well said, Martin and Chris. Yeah, well said, Martin and Chris. Bloody right. They are not telling the truth. Independent researchers have proved it. They are not telling the truth. Who's not telling the truth? What do you mean, church? What do you mean? Who's not telling the truth? What's your prediction for Virgin Galactic after earnings? What's my prediction for Virgin Galactic after earnings? We are covering Virgin Galactic earnings. I don't know. I don't know, and neither does anybody else. All I can tell you is this is my money, my real money. It's 11% of my portfolio. I've been buying the dip. I went to Virgin Orbit. I know what's going on. I'm going to Virgin Galactic Space Station. I know what's going on. I know they're hiring. I know Richard Branson's legacy is Virgin Galactic. I know that the stock is going to be a $100 stock in a couple of years' time. I know all of this. So do I know that the earnings is going to go up? No. Do I have a crystal ball? Well, it just so happens that I do have a crystal ball, and I'm going to look into it for you right now. Is Virgin Galactic going to go up on earnings? Let me see. I don't know is the answer to that. So there you go. I don't know. Sorry about that, but I know it's going to be a payday. One way or another. I honestly don't know. Smash the like. Well, thank you very much indeed. There goes my mug, which means there's probably a refill on the way. Smash the like button if you just tuned in. Meta is not innovative to me. You're risking money over a name. I am not risking money over a name. I'm making educated, statistical investment on a company that makes money. That's what I'm doing, church. LOL, independent researchers. Independent. Yeah, no such thing. It's like JD Power. JD Power says that Ford is the best car in the universe. It's a marketing company employed by Ford. Independent researchers. I'm right with you there, Church. I'm right. I'm always with Christopher Martyn. It doesn't matter what Chris says, because I love Chris. Chris can say the world is flat, and I'll become a flat earther just because Chris says it. Or let's have a little look. I would never compare Meta to Google ever. Hell no. No, neither would I. Neither would I. Neither would I, church. They're completely different companies do different things. Christopher Martyn, private companies that aren't biased like crazy investors like Martyn. Yeah, gotta be crazy. Yeah. But they aren't biased. Listen, how could I be less biased? I have told people 100 times that I have been banned on Facebook, that I don't like how it works. Bloody hell, how can I be biased? Can I make it any clearer? Can I make it any clearer? I don't like Facebook. I don't know Mark Zuckerberg, so I can't draw an opinion on the guy. At the end of the day, statistically, with the amount of customers, what I don't understand though, however, is people in their millions are going, Mark Zuckerberg is an idiot. Christopher Martyn, my friend here, is a creator of online services. He can code, he can write platforms. I ask you, Christopher Martyn, do you think, even if you think, personally you don't like somebody, would you say that Mark Zuckerberg is an idiot? Would you call him an idiot? Well, if he's an idiot, I must be a complete bark raving, upside down, buffoon, lunatic, infinite amount of idiot. Because I'm sitting here with 30 people watching me with a couple of quid in the bank, and I've never invented a platform which has got 2.9 billion customers, but he has. So I ask you, is Mark Zuckerberg an idiot? And does he deserve the bashing he gets? I don't know. You decide that. I'm just here to put the question. Meta company is rubbish and the failure has begun and they're always around, but the value will drop. The value will drop, which is why I'm buying the discounted stock. Anyway, back to the main portfolio. Enough of Meta now, because in a minute we're going to get Church go. I'm going in a minute. Oh yeah, absolutely. Nikki just did the disco. I don't know what that means, Church of Logic. Oh please, let's not start with do your own research nonsense. At the end of the day, none of us are qualified to do research. I don't know. I do my own research. I know everything. Yeah, I know everything. Never will I believe in some VR headset and metaverse and social media. There are always new social ideas that will take over. Margin, after Fed, Arnold the Palmer, he's been margin calling me now for months. Sergey, I want my VR headset to watch the Martyn Lucas crystal ball noise when I log into it. There you go. Totally agree. Martyn Lucas has his very own VR set from the Day Trader shop. The Martyn Lucas Investor shop. Go and check it out. Thanks, Leah. Well, don't thank her yet, Mike. She's only taken my cup away. She hasn't brought me anything back. Intelligent is our responsibility to be an also kind and sensible person. Oh, there's my coffee. Thanks, Leah. Mike, make your statement, sir. There it is. There we go. Let's have a quick look. Scroll down. Martyn. Nope. Not an idiot at all. A soulless, emotional savage. Yes. There you go. There you go. Yeah. That kind of sums it up. Nope. Not an idiot at all. A soulless, emotionless savage. Bloody hell. That's. What about that? Emotionless savage. I like that. I like that. Maybe he's right. Write this down. Meta will be $200 again. Write this down. Meta will never be $200. I'm writing it down. I'm writing it down. Zuck uses Facebook instructed by the US government demo party to censor the Republicans and interfere with our election. Proven fact. Oh my God. I don't know anything about that. That makes Zucker a fascist and a pig. Well, there you go. We've got some comments coming in today. What can I say? You're not qualified to say what I can do or not, Christopher Marantet. You are one of those kids in school saying, look, it's in the textbook. I tell you what, Church, because Church is one of my mates, all right? I'm just telling you, Christopher Marantet is most certainly not a child. He's actually very old and very ugly. So, he's like a bear, basically. He's a big giant bear. And, yeah. He's a good bloke, Church. Careful what you say about my mate. Careful what you say. He's a good bloke. Anyway, let's go. We got investor of the day trader of the day coming up in a few seconds as well. We're looking for the earnings reports for Virgin Galactic and Robinhood coming up during the week. We also have, of course, Meta. It's up 2%. I'm just saying. Someone's buying it. I'm just saying, someone's buying it. Shall we look at the volume? The volume today is 121 million. Average volume, 76. Just saying. Average volume is 76. 121 million. I'm just saying. There's a lot of action going on. We know what's going on right now. In case you cannot see from that chart, what that tells you is scalp trading. People are trying to lower their averages. What they're doing, they're buying and selling and buying and selling and buying and selling and trying to get their averages down to protect themselves. That's what's happening right now. And that necessarily isn't good. It means people aren't sticking around. It means people are buying and selling to get their averages down, trim off the top. I could do that now. I've got shares below this level and keep in and out. It's not worth the bother to me. It's different if you've got millions of shares. 1 cent makes a lot of difference. Meta will never make more than 30 billion in the quarter. That's not Q4. Every peak has happened. Well, we'll see. We shall see, says Arnold the Palmer. Real research is incredibly complicated and far beyond most people's ability. Googling is not research. Totally agree with that. Because you're just reading someone's opinion. And at the end of the day, I have a website. I can say what I like. And someone can Google it, find my page, read my information, and think, hang on a minute, I know all about Facebook now because Martyn Lucas wrote it. I mean, that's a very good point. Research is not Googling something. I agree with that. But, however, I want people to watch my YouTube channel and I want people to enjoy my show. So this is research. Everything I say is flipping research. So don't come on here, Christopher Marantet, telling people this ain't research. This is proper research. This is Oxford University, solid rock and roll research right here, right now. Right, the stocks come back up again. So you know what that means. It's very, very exciting. It means we've got cash giveaway coming up. We've got Trader of the Day coming up. We've got all sorts of stuff, plus a wonderful 10-second commercial break. Yeah, he comes on here, tries to bring my YouTube channel down. I'm not having it. I can ban him. And send him back to Canada. Be right back in 10 seconds from now. Don't go away. By the way, if it's anyone's birthday, I'll sing you happy birthday in the show. A $10 super chat will get you a request. If you want a song, $10 super chat during the live show will get you a song at any point during the show. All right, be back in 10 seconds. Here we go. And I'm back. I'm back with a vengeance. All right. So if you want a super chat, if you want a song, you can have a song in today's show. Let's have a look. SPCE coming up again. Let's go through all our stocks, shall we now? Ethereum. Still believe Ethereum's got a long way to go. Downwards, I mean. BSV. I'm down 13%. I'm holding it. Enphase Energy is... I'm up 5%. It's pretty flat today, though. Ginkgo Bioworks. I'm out of that stock. Tilray Brands. It has sold off a bit. Still up 11%. I'm not going to sell it now there, though. Hi, Nikki and everyone. You're going to discredit years of university professors at some of the most prestigious universities. You going to discredit years of university professors at some of the most prestigious universities. Who? Me or Christopher? Don't get me involved in that. Nicky Boy Gaming has made a $10 super chat. It looks like he wants to support the show just because he's a great guy. Or he's requested a song. I've no flipping idea. I guess we'll find out. Tilray Brand's still going down. I'm currently out of the stock. Canoe is up today. I'm down 60% on it. Me, but I've been silenced. You haven't been silenced. You're still there. Oh yeah. Don't upset Churchy. He's one of our moderators. Mind you, a moderator can't moderate a moderator because moderators can't moderate moderators. If moderators could moderate moderators, they'd moderate more often moderation. But they can't moderate in moderation, so they can't moderate moderators. See that? Did you understand any of that? If you did, you're a clever man. Walmart. IonQ. Both Martin, both. A song to support your show. A song to support my show. All right. SoFi holding up. Oh, I'm just saying, we won't labour on it. We don't want to upset Churchy. Churchy is one of my solid members. I'm not going to do anything to upset him. But I'm just saying... Can you imagine if it went up 20% today? Oh my gosh, it could. And it will. Not today though. I'm just saying. Which markets do you analyze? Which markets do I analyze? I'm not quite sure I understand your question. I research all the time. Ask Christopher Marantet about research. I noticed you are over there on Twitch. And I've got a little gift for you, a little treat, a little surprise. If you are over on Twitch and you subscribe to me for free using Amazon Prime, every first Friday of the month, which is this Friday, I give away the money I make in my subscriptions for free using Amazon Prime. And right now I only have 7 subscribers, so you've got a 1 in 7 chance, and 2 of those are me and my wife Leah. So if you subscribe to me for free using your Amazon Prime account, you will be in our free prize draw tomorrow. Just turn on gaming on Amazon Prime and turn it on for every month. You might need to manually do it if you don't click every month. And you will be in the free prize draw, first Friday of the month, coming up this Friday. You might as well. It's free money. Why would you not do it? Google, not cheap enough for me. I'm up Johnson & Johnson, 2%. Let's scroll down to the comments. Christopher Marantet is rolling around laughing. I'm already subscribed, so all good. Nicky Boy Gaming, you're not. You're not on Twitch. Your subscription has lapsed. It only lasts a month if you use Amazon Prime. It falls off, so you need to go and do it. Nicky Boy Gaming, you are no longer subscribing to me on Amazon on Twitch. We've only got 7. We had like 19 before I went on holiday. So nearly all of you have forgotten and let it lapse. I'm just saying. So you are included in that. Oh, I'll sort it. Yes, go and sort it. Christopher Marantet, you could subscribe to me using Amazon Prime for free. Really helps my channel. And it gives me a tip of $1.95 a month. Doesn't cost you anything. And I give back the... money to you guys in a cash giveaway. Right, now then. 169. 150. Apple is available. It's gone below my lowest price of once. Yep. It's below now. I could buy some more Apple. It's not my. Is it my all-time low? It's been lower, but I didn't buy it at 138. So why would I buy it now? No. It cost me 10 a month for Amazon Prime. Does it? Yeah, Amazon. You got to pay for Amazon Prime. Yeah, I didn't know if you had Amazon Prime. If you've got Amazon Prime, you can turn gaming on, and they give you a Twitch subscription for free. But if you don't have Amazon Prime, that's all right. Then you have to pay for it on Twitch if you want it. I pay $7.99 a month. What's that? For Amazon Prime? I don't know. Let's not get into that. Amazon, not cheap enough. Julie has it, but no. Well, Christopher, Julie has it. So you're doing me a massive favour if you use Julie's account to subscribe to me on Twitch. Every month, just renew it. It's free using Amazon Prime, and it gives me a $1.95 tip a month. Plus, you'll be in our free prize draw every month. Basically, the subscription money I get, I give back as a gift every month. The first Friday of every month. You're giving me a tip for free, and you're getting a free prize draw for free. So why don't you do it? Christopher Marantet, she's not on Twitch. You don't need to just bloody out. Just set it up. How hard is it? How hard? You don't need to be on bloody Twitch. Just subscribe to my Twitch account. All right? Christopher, I've been telling you all day how much I love you. How hard is it for you to use your wife's account to set up Twitch? Just subscribe to me. I'm talking to a flipping guy here who codes and writes platforms. He doesn't need me to explain how it works. But I need to explain to him how to be a decent human being and give his mate a tip when it's free. Struggling entertainer trying to get a channel going when all you got to do is go, yeah, it's just click. Oh, all right. All you got to do is that. It's very hard. It's very hard, Nicky Boy Gaming. It's very hard. I know. Very, very hard to subscribe to my Twitch account. Spousal acceptance factor. I don't sign my spouse up for things. Do you not? I do. I do all the time. In fact, Leah is the one who pays for the Amazon Prime in this house, same as in your house, Christopher. And every month, it's in my calendar, it says, go on Leah's account and subscribe to Amazon Prime. It does. It actually says that. It actually says that in my calendar. You think I'm joking? I'm going to show you. What are we now? 30th of October, 30th of November. Look. 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 Look, I'll show you. I'm gonna actually show you. I'm gonna actually show you. It's in my actual look. It's in my actual calendar. See, right at the bottom, November the 30th next month. Leah Twitch sub. That's my calendar on my phone. Look, on my phone. There you go. So actually in my calendar to go and rob my wife. Yeah, I literally go on to my wife's account. I sign in. I pretend to be her. It's terrible, really, isn't it? Fraudulent. And I click subscribe. Yep. She doesn't even know. Use your wife's boyfriend's... use your wife's boyfriend's Twitch. Yeah, just... Basically, just hack into someone's account. She's not into gaming. She doesn't need to be into gaming to subscribe to me. It's free. Stop being so flipping lazy. Some people... Do you know what I mean? It's just like, just click subscribe. If everybody who if my 5,000 subscribers on YouTube all subscribe to me on Twitch, I'd do really well. What does that mean? That doesn't even make sense. What you just said there doesn't even make sense. I'm just saying what you just said there doesn't even make sense. I thought you was quite an intelligent chap until now. Now you've confused me. Right. Let's have a little look. Where are we up to right now? This is good. I'm looking at all my statistics today. Look how we've grown today, folks. We're at 5,144 now. There we go. There you go. You can see where we are now. Look, we are up today. This is our overall position. Because you can't read, I was retorting the wife's boyfriends. I'm off now, guys. I'm getting ready for Tesco's, and they will. Look, Tesco's. Hang on, before you go. Look, before you go, Nicky Boy Gaming. There's my Tesco's position. Tesco's up 1.48. I'm still down 8%. I've been buying such dips. Very excited about seeing that return. When it does, I shall be. I've got a $58 pending free money, as in dividend, coming out soon. But there it is. There's my Tesco position. I've already paid you more than Twitch sub. Trust me. It's not good enough. It's never enough. It's never enough. You know how it goes. Self. Never enough. It's never enough. You can't ever do enough for me. Never. You can always do a little bit more. Right. Are we going to go into the red today? I hope not. That'd be depressing, wouldn't it? Okay, Zuckerberg. Looking good. They're bound to pick up more very soon. I think so too. Oh, we've gone into the red. Damn it. I was really enjoying the green colour today. It's good on my eyes. So, where are the losses coming now? Let's have a look. We had a nice little bounce. I don't think it's going to go below my all-time low, so I'm not selling everything out. It seems pointless to me. Where are we losing it most? We're getting prepared for tomorrow's FOMC report. Amazon. Okay, now here we go. What I could do now is I could take source of funds. I could take some money off the table, like Tilray, for example, and buy these dips. Now then, Amazon is 89. Got a long way to go before I suddenly start buying Amazon. Apple, same thing. Long way to go. Robinhood, earnings coming up. McDonald's, still up 12%, 11.5%, not touching that. Same with Coca-Cola. J&J, Google, down 10%. Again, not low enough. My lowest position was 92.63, so it's still not low enough yet. Microsoft, no. Meta is holding up. So what this shows you now, this gives you the indication that it's potentially reached a bottom. Because other markets are selling down, whereas Meta is holding, in fact, pushing up. This gives you the indication that we could be at a bottom for Meta. That doesn't mean, however, I'm going to double up and go all in and reduce my average down even further. I'm waiting for it to go lower, and if it doesn't matter. I'm not trying to get greedy or beat the market or beat anyone else. I'm just trying to grow for a pension in the next 10 years. That's it. So we shall see where that goes. If it goes up and starts to eat into my losses, that's brilliant. If it goes a bit lower, I'll buy it. I'm not going to buy any more until it goes below my all-time low, which it hasn't yet done. The markets are green again. They're trying to stay green. Just for a moment they were. IonQ, still up. Walmart, still up a good 16%. We are having a bit of a sell-off today. But that's okay, as expected tomorrow. I'm okay with that. That's what it should be doing. Tilray, we are losing our profit. I was up 20%. But if I'd sold it at 20% up, I'd be looking for it to go a further 10% down. It may or may not do that. I don't know. End phase. Yeah, everything is selling off right now, it seems. Right. We have got today a trader of the day, day trader of the day competition. Let's see who's up the most. Now then, for those of you that are watching that want to win the star prize on Friday, free to enter, free for all, only 6 people qualify. Very good chance of winning the star prize. The star prize is any item, cheapest or most expensive item in the merch shop for free. All you've got to do is watch this playlist here and leave the comment. So what you need to do is just click the play all button and let it run through. At the end of my stream, in about 10 minutes time, click the play all, watch it all, watch the playlist go all the way through. If it does pause, just continue it. And you don't have to watch it all the way through. There's 42 videos, only 5 minutes each. They were made during the time I was away. If you click the play all, play the playlist all the way through, you will be in the draw for Friday. Only 6 people are in it. So after this show finishes, I would recommend you all go and click on that one there. And there you go. So let me give you the playlist link. There is the playlist link. See it? All you got to do is let it run through. Here is the link. Watch it at the end of today's show, and you'll be in the draw for Friday. That is our competition on Friday, and you can win a prize on Friday, whatever you like from the merch shop. Let's do our day trader of the day. We're going to close our broadcast lounge. I don't think we've got anyone today calling in, so let me close the broadcast lounge now. There you go. Okay. And let's do our day trader of the day. So we're going to do this right now. And once I post my score, the first person to post will see who wins today. So we'll do it right after this quick break. Are you ready? Don't you dare go far away. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now, and then we'll see who wins today. Here we go. Okay. Make sure that you've pressed the live button, and then you are up to date. If you are behind the live stream, you won't be in the draw, and you'll miss out. So here we go. Let's see who wins today. I am actually up at the moment. I was up a lot higher than this, but I'm okay to be up 1.4%. There we go. I'll post that. And once we get our first in, we shall start doing it. Yes, we've already got them coming in now. Let's bring it up on the screen. So, up 1.1. Ian Jackson, very nice indeed. Up 1, up 0.1. They're very good. Who's up 1.1? It looks like the winner so far is Ian Jackson. Let's have a little look. Down 2.1. Says Dexter Sickles. Nice to have you here. Lurking in the background, not saying anything. You never know. Up 1.79. Bill goes into the lead. Fantastic. Said a chiggy 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 pow pow. Said a chiggy 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 pow pow. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Pretty good. Looks like Bill. We'll give it a few more moments, and let's see if anybody trumps Bill today. I know. What's going on? Very, very good. So there we are. I will give it a few more seconds in case anybody's watching the commercial breaks and they've missed it, but we shall see. Virgin Galactic is holding up. Bill is up at 1.79. Let's go through. Meta is holding up. I'm okay with that. The longer it does that, the better. Microsoft still falling back. Google. Google. Let's have a look now. 92.63. No, not low enough yet. J&J. Is Tilray still holding up? It's trying to bounce back up again. 179, really slow day. Hey, really slow day. Oh, yeah, terrible. Terrible, Bill. I think that's it. Right, we're going to call it. We're going to give the prize to Bill. There we go. Let's give him a big thank you for your honest trade. Nice one. Give him a big thumbs up. And let's, of course, give him the sound effects. With the name change of the channel, our first anniversary mugs are now priceless. Yes, they are. They were yes, they're very exclusive, rare items now. The day when this channel has 1 million subscribers and you had the first mugs, oh yes, you're absolutely right. You're absolutely right. What an investment! What an investment! Yeah, what an investment. It's always a great investment to get yourself a Martyn Lucas mug. Look at that. If anyone's never noticed, if you look closely, you got the M for Martyn, UK, the L for the US, see, Martyn Lucas, and it's a microphone in the centre. Has everybody noticed that? It's a microphone in the centre with a crown on top. That's the king of the microphone, or, you know, from England with the king, the queen, all that kind of stuff. So that's the reason why that logo is the way it is. Did you notice all the details? Did you ever realise that? Daniel Parker, which stock? Which stock are you talking about? So there we go. Congratulations, Bill. I just had that thought. See, proper investors here are always thinking about the money. I love it. I love it. Mine is for sale. 1.3 million green stamps. I love it. There you go. Vanguard S&P 500 starting to ripple up again. Virgin Galactic is holding up nice today. Very, very good. Earnings around the corner. I like it. Tesla is up today. I'm just out of the money. I was in the money earlier. Lucid going down. Arrival, it's okay. I'm up comfortably now. Amazon, it's a long way to go before I start. Because remember, it's very expensive. Amazon is very expensive. Its P ratio is very expensive, 94. It is extremely expensive, but you're never going to write them off, right? 89. If I'm going to buy more, I'm going to... Oh, it's getting... No, nowhere near yet. I want to buy it for cheaper. Apple, not cheap enough for me. I'm okay with that. Robinhood. McDonald's. No one... hang on, what happened there? No one here probably remembers the green stamps. I remember the green stamps. I remember the green stamps at the co-op. I remember the green stamps. I have a dozen mugs, yes. Yeah, Bill's got loads. He can make loads of money now. Is that green? Green Shield. I remember the stamps at the co-op. This is before apps. This is before points. You collect your green stamps. I just so there you go. I remember. I'm that old. I know I don't look it. I know I look 25 years old. I know that. People say it all the time. I understand. You know, it's confusing. You watch my show and you think, oh my God, that guy's 25. I understand. You look. You know, I look 25, but I'm not actually 25. I know I'm breaking it to you. I don't want to surprise you too much, but there you go. 92, 63. We're getting close for Google for some more, but not yet. Meta is holding up. SoFi held up today. IonQ. Tilray. It's disappointing seeing Tilray drop back again, but it's life. They gave the stamps as a reward. We are all old. Everyone's bloody old, Mike. It's just the way it is, right? We're all old. Okay, we're just about coming to the end of the show. I want to thank everyone for joining me today. It's okay. We're down very slightly, but nothing much, really. A lot of good news on the line coming in, so I'm okay. Tomorrow, we are back, of course, later on. If you've not yet checked out my day trader shop, the Martyn Lucas Investor shop, I've got a lot of new stuff to share with you. Have a quick look. Nice to see you again, friend. It is wonderful. You can remember, Chris, you can always call into the show via Discord. If you want to have your say or video or call, whatever you like, you can do that. But here is my shop. If you want to go and check out the new exciting goodies, look, on tour, nice Christmas stuff. We've got all sorts here. You can check them all out. Hang on, let me refresh that a minute. Let me refresh that screen. There's bits missing there. Bits missing. Let's scroll down. Yeah, there we go. Look, we've got hats, T-shirts, we've got socks, iPhone cases, mugs. Oh my gosh, it's amazing, isn't it? Can you believe it? Backpacks, yoga mats. I mean, whatever you need in your house, clothes-wise, mug-wise, T-shirt-wise, yoga mat-wise, bed sheets, you name it, it's got my name on it. I mean, how lucky are you? So basically, look, Alicia and Patricia have their own backpacks. Look at that. Look at that. They have their own stuff. Look, they have their own stuff. Even Bill, look, has all his Chinese stuff. You can have all that. I mean, it's insane. You can have Bitcoin stuff, Tesla stuff. I mean, you name it, you can have it. You can even have a beer mug. You can even have a beer mug with Bitcoin on it. Yeah. All of that. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, look at that, folks. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Can you believe what you're seeing? Can you believe what you're seeing? SPCE, Virgin. I mean, look, seriously, can you believe what you're seeing? I know you can't believe what you're seeing. You're thinking, I can't believe what I'm seeing. And I understand you can't believe what you're seeing, but that's what you get on this show. How's your back? Do you know what, Mike? I've been all right the last couple of days. I've been all right. Thank you very much for asking. Yeah, the last couple of days, I've been all right. Right. I think it's time for someone to say, roll the credits. And we'll be back this afternoon, of course, for the closing bell. Don't forget, if you, at the end of the show, do click the playlist. Everybody here, let it run through and you'll be in the draw on Friday. All you got to do is let it run through. Some of you haven't watched the whole playlist. Just let it run through. Roll the credits. Zeb Dean, where you been, Zeb Dean? Where have you been? You sitting there lurking. Some of you lurkers. Right, roll the credits. Now then, I'm going to roll the credits. We're going to go to the end screen and we're going to roll credits. You ready? Here comes roll the credits. And let's see who took part in today's show, shall we? All right, I've just driven back from uni. Did you have a good day at uni? Did you learn anything? Did you have a good day? Let's have a little look. We got a few subscribers, a few members. Make sure if you've not yet re-enabled your subscription on Twitch, it's free, remember. And this Friday, I'm giving away the money I get on subscriptions back to you in cash. Don't miss it. Some of you have let your subscriptions on Twitch lapse. Amazon Prime, it's free, remember. Okay, let's have a little look. Let's see. Stars of the show. Super chats. Nicky Boy Gaming channel. Followers. Lind. Jace the Ace. And Mo's Reviews, new subscribe. No bots to slay, I know, Mike. I know, can you believe it? The channel's getting cleaner and cleaner and more professional by the day, by the minute. I know you can't believe it sometimes. Can't believe it, how we're growing. How it's just getting better every day. Can't believe it. 117 came through the show. 218 came through the show this morning for the SoFi earnings. Look out for the edited version of SoFi. That will be coming out later. And also the videos for Virgin Galactic SoFi. You saw me make them this morning. They'll be coming out later as well. All right. That's it from me. Thanks for being here. It's always the greatest of pleasure. And we're just falling back a little bit now. We're down 0.33. Preparing for the FOMC this tomorrow. It's going to be a big day. I'm looking to see if I can get any more bargains. See if I can get Google even cheaper. It's 92.61. I want to get it for 92 or even under 90 would be even better. But Meta is still going up. It's at 1.56, oversold, and it's certainly not going down like everything else is. It's worth noting that. It's worth noting. All right, I'm holding it, not going anywhere. I'll simply add to my position. Uni isn't on this week, which is why I've gone home for the week. See the family for a bit. All right, you're home for the week. Very nice. All right, I'll see you all back for the closing bell this afternoon. Look out for those videos. Make sure that you go and watch the playlist. I'm going to put it in the chat one more time. Let it run through. Even if you don't want to win the star prize, let it run through and it'll help the channel enormously. Until then, take care of yourselves. You've missed this, ain't you? You've missed it. And each other.